Welcome to Employment Law This Week. I'm George Whipple. The Biden EEOC announces its enforcement priorities for the first time. On September 21st, the Equal Employment Opportunity Commission published its strategic enforcement plan for fiscal years 2024 through 2028. In its first enforcement plan, issued under the Biden administration, the EEOC has shed light on its current priorities. The agency plans to target discrimination based on pregnancy and long COVID. It also intends to monitor bias in connection with employers' increased use of artificial intelligence, as well as charge employers suspected of using overly broad restrictive covenants. The extent to which these priorities will continue will in large part be determined by what happens in next year's presidential election. California is set to enact a pandemic-inspired expansion to its paid sick leave law. In response to the COVID-19 pandemic, the state established temporary COVID-related paid sick leave of up to 80 hours per year. That supplemental leave expired at the end of 2022. The new bill would amend California's standard paid sick leave law to permanently provide employees with more paid time off, including expanding the yearly leave requirement from 3 days or 24 hours to 5 days or 40 hours. It would also increase the amount of sick leave employees can accrue from year to year, from 6 days to 10 days. Governor Newsom is expected to sign the bill, which would go into effect January 1st, 2024. Strikes continue across the country. Last Tuesday, 40,000 Las Vegas hospitality workers authorized a strike, joining some 362,000 workers who have gone on strike so far this year. That's up from 36,600 striking workers in the same period just 2 years ago. And that number is expected to rise. Together with the writers and actors strikes in Hollywood and the UPS strike, these are just the latest in a season marked by a surge in strike activity. In addition to an increase in strike activity, in the first half of 2023, unions won a historic 80% of representation elections, a number not seen since organizations began tracking this activity. These upticks appear to be a direct result of a major shift in sentiment from the Biden administration towards labor, evidenced by significant changes at the NLRB. However, despite seemingly high-profile wins for labor this year, union membership has been declining since 1983, hitting a record low in 2022. There have been no signs so far of a reversal in this decline. That's it for this week. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you next time.